Yeah, come in.
Thanks, Kelsey. I wanted to talk about the issue with the Royale Bourbon customer order. My team keeps getting blamed by John for the delays, but it's clearly not our fault. The hot order was on the schedule yesterday. Second shift didn't get it done for whatever reason, but the delay is not because of us. John keeps blaming us in front of everyone, and it's really demoralizing.
Yeah. Delays are frustrating. We all have our challenges. So, what's your point here? You got tough feedback? The plant's super busy right now.
I'm saying the delay was not our fault. There was an issue with production somewhere, but we got blamed for it.
Hey, what's up? Yeah, we're still on. I should be there around 5. But I may be a little late, yeah. You can start without me and order apps. Okay, see you tonight. Bye. Well, it's part of the job. You just have to deal with these things.
But it's not fair for us to get blamed for something out of our control. What's worse is we're not working together to ask questions, figure out what happened, and fix it.
You know, I've been in your position. I've had to handle much worse. We didn't have half the resources or help you have now, and still, we managed without complaining. Anyway, I've got a lot on my plate. Just try to manage your schedule. We'll discuss this later.
Okay. Thanks, I guess.
Hi, Marissa. Please come in and have a seat. I can see something's bothering you. How can I help?
Thanks, Kelsey. I wanted to talk about the issue with the Royale Bourbon customer order. My team is being blamed by John for the delays, but it's clearly not our fault. The hot order was on the schedule yesterday. Second shift didn't get it done for whatever reason. The delay isn't because of us. John keeps blaming us in front of everyone, and it's really demoralizing.
I hear you, Marissa. Can you tell me more about what happened?
Yeah, so the hot job was on the schedule yesterday. It was supposed to run during second shift, but didn't for whatever reason. I don't know if they had a bunch of call-offs or if they didn't have the tooling or materials needed, but we need to find out.
So if I understand correctly, the schedule was correct and everything was set. Then something happened during the second shift to cause the product not to run, and we don't know the reason why yet.
Yes, exactly.
That's not important right now. I'll get back to them. I can relate to your situation, Marissa. We've seen this before. Something goes wrong and people start pointing fingers at each other instead of working together to identify what went wrong. What we need to do here is communicate and talk to the other teams involved. Thank you for sharing this with me, Marissa. You may want to start by talking to the production supervisors to find out what happened. Why don't you go ahead with that? And if you want me to help talk to John, I'll help with that too.
Thank you, Kelsey. I'll reach out to them now. I really appreciate your support.